Alright, guys. So this is day 2 of my disciplined trading journey. Yesterday, I had a very bad day of 6 trades a day. I was very much disappointed with me because it has been repeating with me since last 6 months. From the last 6 months, I just want to take a single trade a day, but I am not successful. I was successful like in 3 to 4 days in the last six months. So from now on, I will try to just stick with one trade because the actual reason of this series to improve myself, to stick myself to one trade by showing it. And today is Holi, so happy Holi to all. And I should not be trading today because if I have had another bad day, then my whole mind will be shut the fuck up. Let's see what happens. If I find a good trade, I will be entering, otherwise I will be out of it. All right, so this is day 2. Let us revise our objective. So our objective is survive entire month with 2k capital, and rules are enter trade with a predefined SL and TP, and one trade a day, activate kill switch after first trade no matter what. Our day 1 was very bad. I took 6 trades and the loss was this. So now we have the capital of 1604. So I will be using the capital today will be 1000, because yesterday when I took the trades, at some points I was like in negative 1200, 1500. So if that trade turned out to be in red, so I would have wiped out my entire capital and no time to recovery, and my entire month will be blown. So I will be using only 1000, and my today's SL will be 100 and TP will be 300. So my risk reward ratio is 1:3. I will be telling my trade plan today. This is the 75-minute whatever trend line, and if we go back, we can see that from this point it was a huge resistance. These are two resistances. If it would have broken this one and gone below, I would have taken put, and since it has broken, I'll have to take in call option, right? I'm waiting for this level, right? If it comes here, I will be taking the like I will be taking today is 400 rupees, which is equal to 10 points in Sensex, right? Waiting for the level is the best thing I can do for my trading capital. Alright, so Nifty is my main instrument of trading, but since today is Wednesday and tomorrow is Thursday, I will be trading in Sensex because it has a greater move than Nifty. But I should just stick at one strike. Well, so what we can do is maintain our journal. Like this is day 2's journal, and I'll be tomorrow. So the best we can do is wait for our level, and if it comes at this, we'll be trading, and if not, we will not be trading. That's it. So like I will be telling, like if it taps at this place, then I will be entered the trade, and I will be having this target. So at index I will be having this today is our high chance of getting toasted, because if we see the IV like India VIX, it is like 21% up today, and if I enter in call position, there are 90% of chances of me getting toasted because of this theta and India VIX decline. If it would have been a general day, this is my best spot to enter, and in trading, one thing I have known that price always comes at your level if you wait. So for the last 1 hour, the price is in a range. It is neither going upwards, neither going downwards. We can see the both strike prices, put and call, both are going nowhere. I am just, but I just put this. I don't know. I executed this. All right, I've just entered the trade. I'm not. 1.95. This is our stop loss and this is our target. If I were just entered at this place, if I just patiently waited my for my level, it came at my price at my level, but I entered early, so it is eventually going to hit my SL cause just missed my SL by 0.35 points, and it eventually is going to hit it. So my SL is going to hit at this second candle. Yeah, since you all know that the objective is to make a good habit. Even if it closes in green, it will be a red day for my trading style because I entered at early because of FOMO. So if it would have been a normal day, I would have exited at this place at break even. Like it actually went towards my SL. Now it is giving me a green closing. I 99% know that it is going to hit my SL, but still I am in this trade because it is not about SL or TP. It's about following your plan. I already have broken one rule of waiting, so I'm not going to break another for like not waiting for TP and SL. So the best a man can do is wait for its level, and when he has entered at up trade, so he shouldn't judge the market. It should just let go of it and wait for its TP or its SL. It actually is going to hit my SL, I know that. So what we can do in our trading journal, that SL, right? So it is our 1:2 and it is our 1:3. Since my original target was this was my actual target, so I will be exiting at this. Should I? Man, how do I put target? I don't know. Can we do with my phone? I can't. Should I exit at 1:2 or should I exit at wait for 1:3? Or should I just exit now? I can't because the bias is saying that the price will be reversing from this place, and the max I can wait for this 61 because it is also a resistance of option. We should be just prepare for our exit. Arey, what is this? I fucked it up. I didn't fuck it up. I actually closed the position, but this confirmation thing came right on. Arey, what is this? First, I will have to. Shit, it has. लेकिन मेरी काड़ी काड़ी कार डार्लिंग square of today's. Man, I just shit. I got out of the trade, but can you see this? Like I was supposed to exit at this. I had no SL, then my actual exit price was like I exited at 76.6 and price highest was 78.15. So our actual TP was this 69.95 and we hit, but it didn't actually it asked for confirmation. So when it actually came out our price, then we have to exit from this place, like from this whatever this is. It actually did favor, but it would have turned a whole lot worse. We were lucky that from this place it actually went up. If it would have gone down, then I would have been cooked. This was a great experience with Dhan. Generally my bias is good, like not very much good, but it is sometimes it is good. But my main culprit is taking the second trend. So like we can see that it is actually going in our trade, but if I were not recording video, then I would just enter the second trade, and or I would have just trailed my TP. Like we can go to kill switch, like activate kill switch. Now there is a loophole. I can actually deactivate at once. We will have to activate it twice. Like then we won't have any. Can you see? I can't deactivate now. This was our executed price is 433. Yeah, that's it. And so generally our charge of one trade is minus 50. So we actually did 380. So our corpus is 220. So this is actually 26%. But we actually used how much? As we said, we will be using 1000, but so we actually used 1099. like it is reversing from 80, like we exited 76. It could be just a retracement and it could go up higher, but since we are out of trade, we can't. If it would have been a normal day, I would have just entered the trade. Got saved by just 0.35 points. Were rules followed? We can say yes, but we actually did enter. So what are the rules? Rules are enter a trade with a predefined SL and TP. Yeah, we had this one. One trade a day. We had this one. Activate kill switch after. We actually did RR 1:3, but we did 1:4. Was it rules followed? We can say I don't know. We can say yes. Like, so we started at 2000 and now our capital is 220.47. Can I verify you this if you don't believe? Like where? Like this. We actually added funds on 2 March 2000 and we had a loss of 359 minus 359, and today we had profit of 380. So this is our like proof. Now we have another holding of one of my client. This he actually gave me access of this yesterday at terminal, and he said I took these trades like a month ago and it is not performing. Can you see and buy another or whatever? So we will be just exiting this sit and this too. The next thing I will be doing is taking an intraday position with his capital. Like BSC is the chart that I have traded a lot in my earlier times, and I actually have made a good profit in options in BSC. So I'll be trading, like I will be having an intraday position right here. So now I'm exiting. All right, guys. So I just completed my day two, and it was very good. My only mistake was I entered early in the trade, but it got saved by 0.3 point something. So I was lucky today. If this happens again, then I will be toasted. So my day closed in green. So now I'm at break even of 2000, like plus 220 rupees. My actual challenge starts from like when I had my first trade in red and I close the terminal. That will be my win day. It's actually a normal day of hitting first trade in green. But what I did good is I stopped my terminal. So let's see what happens on day three. Since I followed my most of the plan, my mental health is like at a straight bar, like a good thing. So from now on, I will be just trading with 1K, and 1K will be like for the bad days. Like, so see you on day three.